Welcome to Brainfeed magazine. After decades of extinction, cheetahs are once again sprinting through India's wilderness. The cheetah's reintroduction to India in 2022 was met with skepticism. But now, 3 years later, the project is flourishing beyond expectations. Kuno National Park, KNP, in Madhya Pradesh, the heart of the cheetah reintroduction program, has proven to be a sanctuary for these majestic creatures. Since their arrival, the cheetah population in India has grown steadily. By mid-2025, 27 cheetahs, including 14 cubs, have been born, showcasing the program's success. The survival rate for adult cheetahs has reached an impressive 85.7% in the second year, while cub survival stands at 66.67%, a significant achievement for a species known for high early-stage mortality. 29 September 2025 marked a historic milestone when Mukhi, a female cheetah born at KNP, reached adulthood, surpassing 900 days in the wild. Her survival and maturity signify a bright future for India's cheetah population. Mukhi's story is a testament to the resilience of these animals and the success of the reintroduction efforts, which have seen cheetahs from Namibia and South Africa breeding in Indian conditions. Further bolstering this effort, in November 2025, 8 more cheetahs from Botswana were handed over to India, adding to the growing population. These cheetahs will undergo a quarantine period before being released into the wild. Cheetahs once roamed freely across India, with Rajasthan, Gujarat, and Madhya Pradesh hosting significant populations before they went extinct in 1952. Factors like excessive hunting, habitat loss, and decline of prey led to their extinction. But with modern conservation efforts and international collaboration, the cheetah is slowly reclaiming its place in India's wild. The cheetah's return to India is a monumental step in wildlife conservation. It's not just about bringing back a species but restoring balance to ecosystems that have missed these incredible predators for decades. India is witnessing a wildlife revolution with the return of the cheetah, one of the fastest animals on Earth. Thanks to ongoing conservation efforts and international partnerships, this project is set to inspire global wildlife restoration movements. Stay tuned for more updates on wildlife conservation from Brainfeed TV. Here, you learnt. The cheetah reintroduction in India has shown encouraging success with the survival of both adults and cubs. Mukhi, born in Kuno National Park, has reached adulthood, marking a significant milestone in the project. Cheetahs from Namibia, South Africa, and Botswana are now part of India's biodiversity restoration efforts. India is taking significant strides in reviving species that once roamed its land. We hope you enjoyed this inspiring story.